Hey, thanks for watching Wise Monkey. Today we'll show how to unclog a clogged drain of newer style front loading cloth washers. This is a Whirlpool front loading, and the problem is it kind of stops mid-cycle, beeps, and sometimes it doesn't restart, sometimes it starts. So there's an error code basically. So on and off for these front loading washing machines, they get clogged. The drain line gets clogged. So how to clean that up? It's pretty simple, but you have to know what to do. Towards the bottom of it is the panel. So this is the panel I'm talking about. Is the front. It's not the back panel, it's the front panel. So these are usually 8 millimeters, like this kind of screws, small screws. Some are this one is like 1/4 of an inch. So 1/4, 6, 7, 8 millimeter, kind of 1/4 of an inch. So take these three screws out. One here, I took it out already. 2 and 3. We take these 3 out. Then this bottom panel basically comes out. So remember, there are 2 tabs at the top of the panel. So there it is. So these are the tabs. If you pull straight out, it'll break. So kind of pull it down and out, it'll come out. Secure it, put it aside. Now towards the right side, this is the drain line and the pump here. So if the pump is dead, you can replace it. How to check it, I'll show you. So this thing actually opens. This is the thing that turns anti-clockwise to open and remove any clog here. It usually clogs right here in there. This is the drain that goes. If you this thing can crack. So best way to do it is use the pliers. This thing can crack. What I did is actually put a piece of rag and then grab it, then slowly turn it. It's very tight. Push it towards the back tiny bit, and yeah. This seal is leaking. If this seal is leaking, you can replace it. You can buy it. I'll try to give some links at the bottom in the description. Usually you'll find a lot of debris here. We had a lot of clog here. So you can clean it up. And right here there is a socks right here, stuck right there, and wouldn't drain. We took it out. Now when you open this thing, put a bowl under here, because there will be some water, it will be messy. Put a bowl and then open it, clean it, put it back. So we put it back on. Now to replace the pump or clean it, just turn this pump towards you, and then it will come out. Now let me put it back on. Well, first of all, so this is the pump, drain pump. Should be moving nice. Blades are all, fins are all there, and it's not jammed. Doing this work, make sure it's unplugged, it's not plugged, and the water is disconnected. I'm assuming that anybody who wanna do this, they do it at their own risk, and they follow safety procedure steps. Okay, so the pump could have been disconnected, electrical line right here, right there. If you need to replace the pump, but usually they're good, seal is good. So to put it back, this top part will be straight up once it's installed, so make sure it goes in all the way, and then turn it. Check that it's all the way locked all around, nicely locked. Okay, and this one is tighten, but do not over tighten. Okay, hope this helps, and this should eliminate the beeping error code stalling halfway in the wash cycle when it's wash or rinse and tries to drain. This is a Whirlpool, but many of these uses the same method. Okay, please share and subscribe.